My brothers and sisters, I went and did a video about this Asian hate person in this video, but I can't upload it to YouTube because there's too many copyright music playing in the video and all in those things. So what I'm going to do is I'll put a link down below and you can look it up on my Instagram account, what I did about this Asian hate person doing her true nature for what her ancestors have been doing to other people for 10,000 years. My brothers and sisters, here comes the video of this Asian hate person doing her true nature in this video. Asian hate is doing her true nature in this video. Here we go. In this video, she is doing her true nature, what her 10 fathers have been doing for millions of years to their own people and to black people. They have been very, very bad for 10,000 years. My brothers and sisters, here we go, and the link to the video is down below, my brothers and sisters.